Hello, Miss Rosie. Hello, everyone. I hope you are very well. I am Lorraine Ortiz. I have three names, but I like to be called only Lorraine. I'm 23 years old. I have a sister. I have 6 cousins, and I have a lady nice. I live with my parents, my sister, and my grandmother. Um, I was born in Lima, Peru. I study communication and marketing in the UPC. I am in sixth cycle. And on my holiday, I fixed my room for classes. And my free time, I like read articles and watch horror movie. I think that English course made it easier to adapt to the virtual cycle. And thank you for watching.